Ever had your purse tag snap off and leave you fumbling to open it? Well, Art That Sparkle's got the perfect fix. First, let's start by picking out some polymer clay colors that match our purse. For this project, we're using a mix of brown, yellow, and a little white. Blend these colors together to get the closest match to your purse. Feeling creative? Let's add some texture. We're using a scrap piece of textured paper, but you can use anything that gives a cool pattern, like a sponge or even fabric. Now that our clay is ready, it's time to give it some shape. We're using a raindrop shape cutter for this project because it perfectly complements the design of our purse, adding a touch of elegance. But don't feel limited. You can choose any shape that speaks to your style or matches your vision. Consider how different shapes will look and feel with your design. There are so many options out there, from simple circles to intricate patterns. Just take your cutter, press it firmly into the clay, and voila! We've got a beautiful piece ready for the next step. Now, let's add some details. We're mimicking the embroidery pattern on our purse, but feel free to get as detailed or as simple as you like. Time to pop it in the oven. While it was baking, we took a break and spotted this gorgeous bird outside in our garden. Oh, and we even whipped up some cute little beads to attach to our new tag while we were at it. Talk about multitasking. After the clay has been baked and cooled, it's time to put everything together. We used a drilling tool to carefully poke a hole through both the charm and the beads, making it easy to attach them. Then, we threaded a metal rod through the holes, securing everything in place. And there you have it, a beautiful, personalized purse tag that's both cute and functional. If you'd rather not make this yourself or have any custom orders in mind, don't hesitate to DM us on Instagram. The link is in our channel's bio, and we'd love to create something special just for you. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative ideas from Art That Sparkle!